Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka Joint Action Committee jong ka Gentia Hills Truck Owners and Driver Association, ka All Gentia Cement and Clinker Transports Association, bat ka Meghalaya Truckers Union, kila sya penibor, hakino penya juki karkhana dobilan, kibaran ha East Gentia Hills District, hakaba kini kino penya juki ni karkhana, kila kren da kabashay, bakimla satya ban pentrikam, ia kedor baiket mar, thama ia kebala penbena, da ka sarkar jela lengba katna transport. Unong ilam jong ka JAC bakantop yuba Nidaman Chulen, uba Balan Tubru, uba Stephen Ranglong, haka khatsan terek mutaw banajili or hazar arpau, kila hiar segini ki karkhana dobilat, da ka jingtmu ban lepin bet ia kedor, bakantop ia kedobilat bat clinker, penban kino penya jong ki karkhana dobilat kila kentai mardor, ban pentrikam ia kini jing penbena jong ka sarkar. Nadu ka kharlai terek ubanai kala lengkot mentaw snam or hazar arpau, lingba u commissioner and secretary jong ka sarkar jela, ubakmi ia katna transport. Hadian bakini kino penya jogini ki karkhana dobilat kila kentan ban pentrika mikini kedor thamai nagalyang ka JSC ru kalarai ban sange ket mar klembo por tat hado bakini ki karkhana kinda pentrikam ya kedor ke balabo thamai da ka sarkar jilla.
terus बैठ करके जो भी आप बात बोलना चाहते हैं we will listen. पहले मैं आया वो लोग कोई थ्रेट नहीं क्या कौन दे के चला
ini support lang kajingkran juga try truk berkhon ngin khang baik ya kaluding ngila la menjur baik ya ka sarkar labu ya karet ni bot baik kita kajimbu sarkar lam kumta kaluding ban stop suam ta sipor kat bang discuss bat gini transport namar bu transport presiden ro la menjur lang bat ni la ban khang suam
Andai iwan kajing itu waktu pengkrek kam kika kani kanub kisan kawa daerah sarkar. Kalau kamte andai kajing itu gani mana wani kelami uki kajing itu gani taki pembantu giwa anggi persak gini ka anggi igino kisan imtip ka. Gigi itu sarkar pi ai koi kami imtip ka kate memang sarkar pi ai itu gino kisan anggi. Tandai kate tu kurang si anggi ke sarkar tu em go imia pi ule ngam ngaja tu em lang ke sarkar ki ke sarkar ka chania ko yo ubun walang yo yegayap igi im nyong gajaj bro. Kata tu gue, tahu ki uduk kisiman faktori kelambanya ka sarkar. Ngada ubram ke sarkar simkia ko igani, lada ke sarkar simkia ko imban se ikiwat kitrai truk ame kate bun kimalik truk kiwa him degalun kiwa degalun ba kiwa ingas kari kumyo gi ingas tega kakas. Taki imban se ga habim degalun kate sayap kenai pi sak bun giwat kitrai truk giwat sak tan gari. Kalau kan te imban se illa dekat sarkar mimkia ka gani kinai ba simen factory mengkrek kam gi imban se ukulu sikagrut uyeki hab perdi yang garut ukulu sikawro garut kuwe. Dia beram sarkar siapa himkia ka gani wud yo man ga chongsuk chongsan dia beram. Katele kerpat hiyo simen factory siapa wan ni krek lang yo man ga koi krek lang hi nagwi sikwi ka po at kam ganu kesan thme ko da wayo in ga sarkar chi per kilometer chi khandai tangka per ton hasarok rong ta kisarok khandawan man ko chi phau tangka chi kilometer da ka te sarok mowan sarok mo sorry ka sarok mo man ko chi phau kilometer daga sarok kendawan man ko kat tengka kilometer. Kalau kam tengah kerpat semen factory waktu pengkrek kam gini wa yo la ko kanu ikwa krek lang dol hiam kam yo la ko kanu gini. Suai gini waktu imtip igador ailom some ke factory garungai. Yo pi barab negwi sikwi ke por ikut iklam ke semen factory waktu wa gini semen factory waktu hagatet kedur beliam baik waktu onggi sarkar yang ina kalau ngagi la ida negwi sikwi ke por barab la terok bi sik sarkar upan ida yap ke jing itu gini la ci ars nem kunti ka tulal ti ke jing itu gini ganu kisan ta yo gani munisan ganu kisan de kwa pengkrek kam ka re ke semen factory mkrek go do ong bong gene gintin ong pi do onggi sarkar karung aja, iu ya kak kontrol. Agar karung kam tengah orang kerpat itu sarkar senyau bah cimkiai gini yo yo man go chong suk chong sai yo pikarai go mi hatane onggi I wato wa snyau ba yang ha din ngalai phau tarik tan rai khnai phi ka thigalai phau tarik wa gan ni communication daslam go mi to yang besi yang phi kite meeting le dap khut iki haga phra tarik le dap khut meeting iki respond ki tan rai wa ka kot ku da pha iki udah pak iki kot ku ong isnyau ba krek kam ka gani ka communication le dap pha iki tan rai plus one night dang kwa ide pun ni ki de pun kol om siang ba ai lat I wi cham yu pi yo klam ke jing itu wa kini ke ki ke kre na ke jing itu ni ke dorat tan re kim respond gi mun gi kre I ke te benta mun hida gi dang klam om pemban gi I dau ai FIR dau le euro gi benta tang ku bi to pusnya si wote ke ku ai FIR gi M1 I hitai ulaya huri hurai ki M1 kwai wan ap kurmar ki I wan kwai wan hitai ula pensnyau tho u snyau tho jemut nan he du ke te ke jemut yong I wode yo I wode yap I ha ke ki ke kre yong M da kamai ke ji yong I kwai ulaya pensnyau tho jemut nan he ki M1 I ha ke jing to ki ulai huri hura Ikalas decision ladam sarkar lem ap ki loro ki bentam ap ki ti imban se I hap klusi dekri de kiri yong ki trok onar yong I klusi ka sarok karut oro man se te ida yap it yuki man hanre de wa kibru gu bam I gu wa pat mi hap de ne ba I wa yap mi hap ka te wa to wa kwa I ya kre lang oro benta ngade wa kwa hi neling yong pi media le snau ba u ya kre lang I ki jing to haying yong ga jaj bur yong I hai ni am mi mento du ga jan tia hi oro I oro ka makhalia I am mi hai ni ya kre I gani ka kam ga yap yong pat ba
Once we receive the letter, you see that you give the time up to the 30th June so that we shall inquire about the legality of this notification. Whether this we don't know so far, they also don't know whether this notification is only for the government purpose or the private purpose. So far we don't know. And definitely before taking any decision, we should know fully about that. Before that, we have not seen this notice. Therefore, legality is required. Once we make the payment somebody, we have to make the complete system, we have to make the very legal payment to everybody. We cannot say that yes, we cannot make the government decision. But we first of all, we inquire from the government also whether this is applicable for the private companies or not. Therefore, letter has been sent to them, which they don't want to listen today. No sir, this is the thing is that previously there was a lot of the issue, but thing is that once we receive the notifications through them, and we have gone through the contents of the notification, this was not a clear to us. Once the government has been, whatever the notification has been implemented, we are following as per the guideline of the government. Yes. But certain times, whatever the gazette notification, etc., we need the clarification from even the government how we are to make the payment, etc.
Did you meet the government on this issue?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, we have meet, and yes, we have meet. We have taken the for legal opinion also. So far, they even that if you go through the notification, you cannot say whether it is only for Meghalaya or
no, because the notification is published and it's by the state government, so it will mean only for Meghalaya.
No, sir. Those are not Meghalaya. This is nothing mentioned is only for the government purpose, or this is only particular for the private company. There is two types of the notification comes. Particular for the government transport rates, etc., and for public transport, private this thing. Nothing has been mentioned. Our legality is required whether this is notification is applicable to the private carriers also, private company also. We cannot say about the fixed price. Time to time is plus, as this is as per the system and tactics of the market. Market increases and decreases. There should not be any fixed rate. Yes. If they desire, the government should fix our cement fixed rate.
Okay.
How the fixed rate will be there? Is that business? It's a business. If the somebody's requirement is more, definitely then we will increase the price. If the requirement is less, definitely the price will go down. This is the tactics of the business, sir. It's not in the cement. So, our plan is that we should inquire particularly for the legality of these things. Once if the legal is okay, supporting okay, it has to be implemented. If this is not legality, they are telling this is only particularly for the government, this is not applicable for the private company, we will not implement. This is purely depend on the legality. This is legality we require. This is applicable on the government. See, if someone, we have already taken the authority is there. If there is some problem, definitely we inform to the authority. If there is some problem, if we cannot stop the dispatches, we will dispatch the cement. If the transporter put the vehicle, definitely our vehicle is there. We will dispatch our fleet also. But somebody obstructs our vehicle on the way, definitely there is no way to inform to the authority concerned.